Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to adjust your image resolution from 72p to 300 dp. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up the image in the Photoshop workspace. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on image. Then after click on image, go ahead and click on the image size, or better still, press Alt plus Control plus I. So click on that, and this window here is going to pop up right here. So you can see this image here, resolution is 72. So for me to change it to 300, what we want to do here is to go ahead and just type in 300 right here. So once you type in 300, then you can go ahead and check the preview. The resolution of the image is going to be increased building the preview, just like what you see right here. So once you are done, go ahead and click on OK right here, and then it's going to be reflected into your image. So press Control minus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom in, then H to the, then press H on your keyboard. So when you press H, this will allow you to use your free hand tool, or better still, I can come here and select my free hand tool. This will allow me to move my Photoshop canvas in different angles, just like so. Now, by the time we go back to image right here, and we go ahead and select on our image size, then you have it to be 300 dp and the resolution drastically increase. Click on OK right here. It's that simple. So this is how to simply increase or adjust the resolution of your image in Photoshop. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.